Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good, huh? Damn. Oh, happy days. Damn, look at this. Look at that. What a guapa day, huh? So, Celina, what do you think? Is that dry?
Huh?
Yeah.
Is it dry?
Yeah, it's completely dry.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Jesus Christ, damn, it dried out in the night time. Guys, we're gonna do the oil change right away. We're gonna put this over here. I will bring the motorbike. We're gonna do the oil change. And then I need to go to the unit top. We need to do something in Celina's room. We gotta do something like this. Celina wants to cover this window because look at this, the curtain is, they put the curtain like that. So my plan is to buy the thing. You put on a car window to block the sunlight, you know, the silver thing. So let's buy this. But first, let's do that. Paktali. So, oh wow, damn, it's so clean.
The outside is just so sunny.
Yeah, let's put it, throw it down. 1, 2, 3.
It's like that.
Oop, it's good. Yeah, what do you think? I think it's perfect.
Yeah, I think.
Is it painful to be here with your... No, it's not, it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Baby boy.
What are you doing?
So guys, I will bring the motorbike right here. Baby boy.
You Rambo.
Say papa. Say papa.
Because his mother is trying to say up.
Baby boy. Say papa. Say papa. Papa. Soon, guys. You got your parcel.
Coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Baby, where's the pink thing?
I think it's
No,
here.
here. Yeah, I find it. Yeah, no, I was looking this.
Okay.
Okay, I will go. Are you gonna come there also or no?
I will drink coffee.
Okay. Then I'll drink water. Yeah. Damn, I like this weather so much. Papa. Damn, I would like to hear when baby is saying Papa. Damn, look at this, how clean the motorbike is. It's just unbelievable. Damn, I will enjoy the drive today. We did the oil change 20 last month and right now is 7. So basically 2.5 weeks ago we did the oil change. That's crazy, right? 82 pieces toolbox. It only costs like 25 USD, 1,400 pesos, 25 USD. Damn, such a good thing to have. But one bad thing is like that it's not holding, you know. All the time it's messed up. So let's try to open this bad boy here. Damn. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh yeah, got it. Oh yeah. Look at the oil. It's all good oil still. You see, it still have color. It's not black. So we got the oil out. Now we need to take off the oil filter. Damn, it's gonna be so messy. That's very annoying. With the scooter, you don't have the oil filter, but this motorbike, damn, you have oil filter. And for this, we need number 10 or even 8. I think it was 8. Where is it? Is it 8? 8 millimeters. Yeah, it's 8. Yeah. Very dirty job. It's much easier to pay the guys the 100 pesos, you know. But Filipinos, they cut the corners so badly, you know. It's you don't want to give them a job, you know. Basically, they're gonna take this cap off and they're gonna use the air pressure, you know, on the ground, you know, and all the dust will go inside. They don't think they will open all the engine parts on the ground, and there's another guy using the air pressure, like cleaning, all the dust is flying. I'm just checking inside, maybe I see something, you know, like a metal piece or something like this, but there's nothing inside. Ooh, and this oil filter, I'm ordering this from Lazada, the same place where I bought the toolbox. If I have to buy this from the Honda store, I have to pay 500 pesos, but in Lazada I will get 5 pieces. Like this. Oh yeah, perfection. We need to put 1.5 liter of oil. So here, I don't know guys if you see, 600, 500 I need to put here. Oh my god, we put a little bit more, just a little bit a little bit extra. It's okay. We are completely done. We save 100 pesos. You know why Philippines is such a crazy place? You can buy this Adidas socks for how much?
25?
25 pesos, 0.50 USD or 0.40. Then I can have brand new socks every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, doing this.
Okay, baby boy, see you later. I will come back soon. But today is Sunday. It's very hard for me to buy the chain lubrication. Like, look at this. I have full bottle. It's completely full. Expensive one, made of Germany. Look, it's just not working. I don't know what's the issue. I have one more, another one also. It's not even completely empty and it's not working also. This one here, then there's so much inside. And it's not working. Oh my goodness. I'll put it here. Where's the hole? Oh my goodness. Let's put it here like that. Then I need to put the camera away, otherwise it'll get so dirty. I'll just try to put it like this, you know. Guys, look what our water is doing here. There's so much air inside of the pipes. Then Philippines, you have so much water. Why are you messing around with the water like this? I don't understand. Not in it. Bagdali, hello, kumusta mo? Everywhere is just heavy music. Over there is music, down is music, here is music. Ayo! Oh my god, empty. Thank you, boss. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. Hello. Is there any men here? Guys, check this. You can even buy yourself a helmet here if you want to. Like helmet like this, Pila. Look at this, that's a nice helmet, right? It's not bad. 895 pesos, guys. 17 USD. Oh, look at this, it's right here. Jesus Christ. The sunshade, Pila. Walla price. Oh, 75 pesos. Then I take two. Then look at these lights. Then these are so good lights. Then this one will be so good. Oh my goodness. Why they don't sell those things in Western? Like I never saw they sell these things in Western. Then it would be so nice. Yeah. So guys, look at this. Here they have a tape pad. Hello sir, kumusta ka? Hello miss, kumusta ka? Hello. I don't know how to say git in Bisaya. Hello sir.
Sir.
Do you have double tape? Double side,
sir?
yeah, double tape, double side. Oh yeah, they have this. Pila. 26 pesos only. Then I will take two. So guys, we got home. Then I'm admiring the banana here. Then I cannot wait to have a banana, fresh banana already. Like really, Jesus, it will be so nice. Papa, look, Papa, bring you a toy. Look at this. That's a toy for you, baby. That's for the thing, for here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I got the one for the window also. We already did one. This one. But I will do a little bit different now. I will just put the double tape and I will install it like this. And I will use the knife to cut the corners.
Is the window hot, right?
Yeah. What do you think, Selena? Is it gonna work?
Yeah. Well, not sure.
Look at this. No, just use the knife to cut the corners.
So it's faster to do like that?
Yeah. And it's more pretty also. Look.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah.
Baby boy got moving. Oh yeah. See, it's too dark already.
Really?
Yeah.
You think it's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah, it's too dark already.
That's perfection. Good, good, good. Oh my goodness, guys, I will go pick up my friend Tim. She's been begging to go to the hot spring in that Tau Inn, you know, where we have this nice pool, you know. It's crazy. Like really begging. Tim, I almost got hit with the mango. Guys, check this. Somebody had an accident. Hello. Tim, that's so sad, right? Tim, he hit straight to the tree. Kaboom. Oh my goodness. Ayo. Damn. Oh my god. Damn, it's okay, boss. I will taste it. Damn, let's try this. Oh wow. It's sour. Thank you, boss. Game. It's very sour. But it's good. Very healthy. So much. Watch your head. Are you still afraid to drive with me?
No.
Not anymore. But before you were, right?
Yeah, of course, the first time.
Like really now you don't afraid nothing.
No.
You just enjoy it.
Yeah.
That's good. Meine Poon. Them is smelling like egg. Like rotten egg.
Where?
Oh, here, you don't smell it. The water, the sulfur water is smelling.
Yeah.
Oh la la. Yeah, no, there, I will show you. Hello, sirs. ¿Cómo estamos? What's wrong with her?
Already drunk?
Is he drunk?
Already drunk? Drunk? Okay.
Very suspicious people.
They're looking at me. Why I'm wearing it.
Come inside. I will come otsa. Meine Poon, boss. Kumusta ka? Miu. Ah, wala. It's okay ra. No, wala. What's up? Goodbye, my friend. Give high five. How long it will take?
3 hours.
3 hours to Bayavan. Oh wow. Are you hungry, Otsa?
Huh?
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Me, Otsa, I'm very hungry. How are you? Are we gonna get food? Yeah. Damn. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Damn, I was so hungry. Oh wow, damn, the fish looks nice. Ooh. It's lasagna, guys. Damn. Selena,
Huh?
you're not gonna eat right now?
No, I will put him to sleep first.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Selena will put the baby on a sleep. Baby boy, come here. Say Papa. And you say Baba. Baba. So guys, that was the whole day. Yeah, I really hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. Guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.